My name is Chito Reyes. I'm 61 years old. I'm from Binyan, Laguna. Ganong katagal? Well, actually, I'm not sure. Pero alam ko noon, recently na nag-open ng NWOW, I have purchased yung ARS na model. And the name is still TailG. Recently, they have changed it to NWOW. More than 10 years, definitely. Actually, there's no competition eh. First na nag-introduce ng electric vehicles, naging curious ako eh. I was using scooters. Sabi ko, mag-try ako ng at least more on eco-friendly. The oldest is yung gamit ko. Yung doon nagsimula, yung ARS. 3 times na nabaha. Ang baha is abot hanggang instrumentation. Lubog talaga yung e-bike. Well, up to now, running pa rin. You go with electric vehicle. Unang-una, pagdating sa ease na maintenance, tsaka saan ba nila gagamitin? Panghatid ng apo, pangpalengke. Very economical. Okay naman sila sa service. Hopefully, newer models to come. Maganda, nakakapag-expand din sa mga outlines o barrios. Happy 15 years, NWOW Philippines!